Okay, second thing is changing the menu items naming, and for example, if you want to use 3 menu items, I'm going to show you how. Simply just go to Blueprints, Widgets, and BBP User Interface. And here, if you click one of the items or select down the hierarchy, you can change the naming here on the text. It's fairly simple. And if you want to remove one of these items, first thing you need to do is just remove this item from the child of the main menu and go to Graph, Event Graph, and then unbind the mechanics of the shop. You can see it here. They are down in the initialization tab. And last thing is just go to visibility of the shop and make it collapsed. And when you run it, now we don't have the shop. And if you want it back, just make it visible, put it back down in the child of the main menu button, go to Graph and bind its mechanics. And here is the shop.